A new day and a new story begins.
Everything looks quiet, but something interesting is about to happen. Ah, what a beautiful morning! Today feels special. What a beautiful morning! I feel something surprising will happen today. She didn't pet me first today. Barbie, can't you see me? I'm right here. Barbie, look at me first. Hello! I'm right here. Why is she brushing herself? She should be brushing me. Tra-la-la, arranging flowers in the sun. Tra-la-la, spring has just begun. Barbie, look at me first. Hello? I'm right here. Why is she brushing herself? She should be brushing me. Another perfect morning in the garden, la la la, watching everything bloom. Who are YOU, and why do you look cuter than me? Hey, sweetie. Why are you acting like I broke your heart? Come here. If this falls, she will finally look at me. Why doesn't she see me? I'm right here. You forgot to say good morning to me. Oh, sweetheart, I didn't forget you. I was coming to hug you next. Tell me honestly, am I still your number one? Or have the flowers replaced me? It's okay, you can tell me what's wrong. You can tell me what's wrong. I didn't mean to cause trouble. I just wanted you to notice me. I didn't mean to cause trouble. I just wanted you to notice me. Ow, sweetheart. You don't have to be jealous. You'll always be special to me. Come here, silly kitty. I didn't forget you. I could never forget you. Ow, there you are. I'm sorry, sweet girl. You always get my love. Ow, come here. I'm right here, sweetheart. I missed you. I just wanted time with you. You're special to me. You never have to feel jealous. I guess I overreacted. Thanks for loving me.